This Windermere Real Estate San Juan Island property video is presented by BillGiesy. Elegant waterfront home in a traditional design with a modern floor plan. One-level living. 200 feet of easily accessible beach. Plenty of room for guests. The home was completed in 2009 to the highest construction standards by a quality builder. Premium finishes throughout. The many custom touches in this home include computer-controllable lighting, remote bathroom fans, outside fireplace, and many more. The location is very convenient to Friday Harbor. Mooring buoy included. For more information, review the details below or contact BillGiesy at 360-378-7540.